Okay, so we're going to have a look at this Neewer complete lens filter accessory kit. This one's for some of the Canon cameras that have a 58mm screw fit for the lens. So let's have a look, see what's in the box. Alright, nothing of interest there, just a thank you note for buying it. Lens cap. See, I don't know a lot about cameras, so and this is for my son, so I'm going to have to refer to the product listing. I think that is the tulip lens hood, preventing flares. Now this one's interesting because it's rubberized and another kind of lens hood, I think. There we go. Little what would that be called? A little tag to tie on to maybe some of the lens covers, I guess. Little microfiber cloth. And then we'll get down into the actual filters and lenses. Nice little pouches. Just lenses, some different coloured ones here, maybe polarised or not. So that's quite neat, like that. And more. Alright, what else do we have? One more pouch. Now some of these are maybe macro lenses. They feel a lot heavier than the others, which were just filters. They're all glass. Oh yeah, that's heavy. So yeah, we've got some nice macro lenses there. You can tell that's magnifying things. Those look good. So this is about £20 on Amazon, which seems alright for the amount of stuff you get. I don't know if this explains what you're getting. Yeah, it does. So that's quite good. So this is for a starter kit for my son. So he's got the Canon camera that he's going to get for his birthday, which you'll find in my other videos. That looks like a really good beginner's camera, not too expensive. And then obviously these filters will be interesting for him to experiment with, and for not a bad price. So, sorry I can't be more informative about all the different lenses. I don't know that much about them, but that's what you get in the box. Looks pretty good to me. Thanks for watching.